Welcome to Studio X English Podcast. I am Lina. I am very happy you are here today.
And I am Eric. It feels great to learn English together.
Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
Your support really helps us. It helps this podcast grow every day.
Today, we have a very fun topic, a topic everyone enjoys talking about.
Oh, really? That already sounds exciting.
Yes, today we talk about food we love.
Wow, food is my favorite topic.
Food is everywhere in our lives. We eat food every single day.
That's true, and people love sharing food stories.
Food is an easy topic for English learners. You can speak naturally and feel relaxed.
I see. There is no pressure when talking about food.
Exactly. You can start with simple sentences.
Like saying, I love pizza.
Yes, very short and very clear.
That makes English feel friendly.
Many learners feel shy speaking English. Food helps break that fear.
I understand. Food connects people quickly.
You can talk about food with anyone, friends, family, or new people.
That's interesting. Food starts conversations easily.
You can talk about favorite food or food you eat every day.
Everyone has an answer for that.
Exactly. There is no wrong answer.
That sounds great. Learners feel more confident.
We will use simple English today. Very clear and slow sentences.
That helps listening a lot.
You can listen and repeat calmly. No rush at all.
Learning should feel comfortable.
Food words are very common. You hear them in daily life.
On menus, at home, at restaurants.
Yes, these words are useful everywhere.
I feel excited already.
Good. Let's enjoy this conversation together.
Yes, food and English are a great mix.
Now we talk about favorite food. This is a common topic.
Yes, people enjoy talking about food.
Eric, I want to ask you something. What food do you like the most?
I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is very popular. Many people love it.
Yes, it is easy to find and easy to share.
That is true. Pizza is good for friends and family.
You can also choose different toppings.
Exactly. Everyone can choose their own taste.
What about you, Lina? What food do you love?
I love sushi.
Oh, that is interesting.
I like sushi because it feels light. It is fresh and simple.
Some people feel nervous about sushi.
Yes, but there are many kinds.
That makes sense.
Food choices are personal. There is no right or wrong.
I agree. Taste is different for everyone.
Some people enjoy spicy food.
I do not enjoy spicy food. It feels too strong.
I understand that feeling.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I like chocolate and cake.
I prefer salty food. Snacks are my favorite.
That shows how different we are.
And that is normal.
Talking about food is easy. It helps beginners speak freely.
Short answers are enough.
Confidence grows slowly.
Food conversations help a lot.
People eat many times every day.
Yes, morning, afternoon, and night.
Each time feels a little different.
I agree. Food changes with the time.
Let's start with the morning.
Morning food feels light
Some people eat fast.
because mornings are busy.
I often eat toast and eggs.
Oh, really? That sounds filling.
Yes, it gives me energy.
I prefer fruit and yogurt.
That feels fresh.
Exactly. It wakes me up slowly.
Now, the middle of the day.
Lunchtime feels rushed.
Many people eat at work.
Or at school.
I usually eat a sandwich.
Simple and quick.
Sometimes I eat rice and chicken.
That sounds more filling.
Yes, it keeps me full longer.
Lunch helps us continue the day.
Now the evening feels calm.
Dinner feels relaxed.
People eat with family.
Or with friends.
I like warm food at night.
Me too. Soup feels nice.
After a long day.
Yes, warm food feels comforting.
Some people eat late.
Some eat early.
There is no one rule.
Everyone has a habit.
Meals show our lifestyle.
And our culture too.
That's interesting.
Food tells a story.
Breakfast starts the day.
Lunch keeps us going.
Dinner helps us rest.
I like that idea.
Meals are more than food.
They are part of daily life.
Food choices change by place.
Yes, home feels different from outside.
Eating at home feels personal.
It feels safe and familiar.
People cook their own food
They choose ingredients.
and control the taste.
That feels comfortable.
Cooking can feel relaxing.
Sometimes it feels tiring too.
After a long day,
Yes, energy feels low.
simple food helps then.
Like rice or soup.
Or eggs and bread.
Easy and quick.
Eating outside feels different.
More exciting.
People go to restaurants.
Or cafes.
Menus offer many choices.
That can feel confusing.
Sometimes choosing takes time.
I feel that too.
Restaurants save time.
No cooking, no cleaning.
That feels nice.
Especially on busy days.
Eating outside feels social.
People talk more.
They share food.
And share stories.
Food connects people.
I agree.
Home food feels emotional.
Outside food feels fun.
Both have value.
Both fit different moods.
Some days need quiet meals.
Some days need noise and laughter.
Food follows our feelings.
That is very true.
There's no better choice.
Only different moments.
Food fits life situations.
And life keeps changing.
Food preferences are personal.
Everyone likes different things.
Some food feels exciting.
Some food feels strange.
Likes come naturally.
Dislikes do too.
People often say what they like.
And what they do not like.
Simple words help here.
Very simple.
I like this food.
I don't like this food.
Clear and honest.
No pressure.
Taste changes over time.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Food disliked before can feel okay later.
I experienced that.
Trying new food feels risky.
But also interesting.
New food brings new flavors.
New smells too.
Sometimes surprise happens.
A good surprise.
Sometimes not.
That is normal.
Food choices show personality.
They show comfort levels.
No food choice is wrong.
Only different tastes.
Food diversity is beautiful.
I fully agree.
We talked about food in many ways.
Yes. Daily food, personal food.
Now, important words need review.
That helps memory.
First word is favorite.
Favorite means most liked.
My favorite food is pizza.
Very common sentence.
Next word is meal.
A meal is breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
People talk about meals every day.
At home and outside.
Another word is Taste.
Taste means flavor in the mouth.
Sweet and salty are tastes.
Spicy and mild, too.
Next word is ingredient.
Ingredient means food used to cook.
Rice, chicken, vegetables.
All ingredients.
Another helpful word is prefer.
Prefer sounds polite.
I prefer light food.
Good for restaurants.
Next word is try.
Try means taste something new.
Trying food shows courage.
And curiosity.
Another word is dislike.
Dislike means not enjoying something.
I dislike very spicy food.
Clear and honest.
Final word is comfort food,
Food that feels safe and happy.
often from childhood.
Very emotional food.
These words help real conversations.
Simple but powerful.
Food topics connect people
Across cultures.
across languages.
That is special.
Now it is your turn.
Yes.
Write your favorite food in comments.
And explain why you like it.
Short sentences are perfect.
No long writing needed.
Practice makes confidence.
Confidence builds fluency.
Thank you for listening today.
Your effort matters.
English grows step by step.
And you are doing well.